A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Dua for easy reckoning. Allahumma hasibni hisaban yasira. O Allah, take from me an easy reckoning. Dua for Jannah. Allahumma inni as'aluka al-jannata. O Allah, I ask you for paradise. Dua for financial struggles. Allahu latifu bi ibadihi yarzuku man yasha'u wa huwal qawiyyul aziz. Allah is gracious to his servants. He gives sustenance to whom he wills, and he is the strong, the mighty. Dua for asking support. Rabbin surni bima kazzaboon. My Lord, support me because they have denied me. Dua for nightmare and bad dreams. Allahumma inni a'udhu bika min amali shaitani wa sayyiatil ahnam. O Allah, I seek refuge in you from the work of Satan and from bad dreams. Dua for rizq. Allahumma inni as'aluka min fazlika wa rahmatika fa innahu la yamlikuha illa anta. O Allah, indeed I ask you for your favor and your mercy, for indeed none possesses them except you. Dua for seeking forgiveness. Allahumma inni afuwan tuhibbul afwa fa'fu anna. O Allah, indeed you are pardoning. You love pardon, so pardon us. Dua while entering the mosque. Allahumma ftah li abwaba rahmatika. O Allah, open to me the gates of your mercy. Dua while leaving the mosque. Allahumma inni as'aluka min fazlika. O Allah, I ask you for your bounty. Dua after wudu, ablution. Ashhadu an la ilaha illallahu wahdahu la sharika lahu wa ashhadu anna Muhammadan abduhu wa rasuluh. I testify that there is no God but Allah, and that Muhammad is the servant of Allah and his messenger. Dua to make things easier. Allahumma la sala illa ma ja'altahu sahlan wa anta taj'alul hazna iza shi'ta salan. O Allah, there is no ease other than what you make easy. If you please, you ease sorrow. Dua after daily 5 prayers. Allahumma anta salamu wa minka salamu tabarakta ya zal jalali wal ikram. O Allah, you are as-salam. From you is all peace. Blessed are you, O possessor of majesty and honor.
Dua to protect yourself from poverty. Allahumma inni a'udhu bika min al-fakri wal killati wal zillati wa a'udhu bika min an azlima aw azlam. O Allah, I seek refuge in you from poverty, scarcity and humiliation, and I seek refuge in you from oppressing others or being oppressed. Dua for mercy. Rabbana atina min ladunka rahmatan wa hayyi lana min amrina rashada. Our Lord, bestow on us mercy from yourself and prepare for us our affairs in the right way.
Dua for protection from evil. Allahumma inni a'udhu bika min sharri ma amiltu wa min sharra ma lam amal. O Allah, I seek refuge in you from the evil of that which I have done, and the evil of that which I have not done. Dua for success in everything. Ya Hayyu, Ya Qayyumu, bi rahmatika astaghisu, aslih li sha'nin kullahu wa la takilni ila nafsi tarfata ayn. O the ever-living, O the self-subsisting, I seek help through your mercy. Set right all my affairs and do not leave me to myself even for the blinking of an eye. Dua for parents. Rabbir Hamhuma Kama Rabbayani Saghira. My Lord, have mercy upon them, parents, as they brought me up when I was small. Ameen.